Hi guys, this is Stephanie and welcome to my channel. I know this filter is too much, but I promise you this is indeed theme related. In today's episode, we are going to talk about this lovely panda right here, whose name is Bing Dwen Dwen. And if you don't know that, Bing Dwen Dwen is actually the mascot of the ongoing 2022 Beijing Winter Olympics. And Bing Dwen Dwen is also currently training in China. A lot of people actually queuing to just get Bing Dwen Dwen in China. And currently a lot of this mascot related motif has sold out, including this little figurine itself. Actually, the Chinese stores are trying to get back on their stock so more people can get hold of Bing Dwen Dwen. Athletes and a lot of journalists can't help but express their love and affection about this little cute icy panda here. You might be thinking this is actually pretty easy to design because it seems like a panda wearing an icy coat. But actually, at the very beginning, it's not a panda, it's actually 冰糖葫芦. Here's a picture of 冰糖葫芦. As you can see, the outer area, this is actually a sugar glaze. It's like a sugar transparent icing, okay? However, when they further discussed the image of 冰糖葫芦 as a motif and possibly a mascot, they actually started to think maybe this snack cannot represent China as a Western country. And therefore, they started to think, what can they replace this? And they really love this icing part because it has the idea of the Winter Olympics after all. After some trials and errors, they have found that panda is the most suited one. The team find out that panda under the ice is actually a terrific fit. So they've decided to switch the image from 冰糖葫芦 to panda, and now you can see it's Bing Dwen Dwen. And if you look closer about Bing Dwen Dwen's outer icing jacket, you will find several lines around it. It actually has 5 colors, and those 5 colors are also in line with the 5 rings of the Olympics. So all of these little texture added together and put Bing Dwen Dwen into this chubby image of a cute panda that a lot of people are obsessed with. During one of the interviews, a Japanese reporter can't help but express his love for Bing Dwen Dwen. Not only he bought a lot of Bing Dwen Dwen for himself, he also sent a lot of Bing Dwen Dwen back to Japan. A lot of Chinese were very happy to see that Bing Dwen Dwen was so well received, both at home and abroad. So that's some stories about Bing Dwen Dwen. I hope you guys enjoy it and love this little cute panda. And once again, I'm sure you have mastered the name of this cute panda. It is called Bing Dwen Dwen. I'm Stephanie, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.